Good morning, students. Myself, Professor Sampada Kardi, and I am going to teach you Mathematics, paper number 1. Syllabus of Mathematics is given already in your Google Classroom. I think all of you read the syllabus of Mathematics. In paper 1, there are 3 units, and our first unit is real number. All of you know the idea of real number. You already study the real numbers. What is real numbers? So, in mathematics, there are many types of numbers. We will see one by one. In mathematics, there are different types of numbers. This is revision topic for your unit number 1. All of you know the types of numbers. I am going to give revision for these numbers. So there are many types of numbers. First one, it is natural number. All of you know that natural number, it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. All are natural numbers. Natural number म्हणजे नैसर्गिक संख्या. Then whole numbers. Whole numbers contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These are all whole numbers. Then integer. What is integers? Integer contains the number 0, 1, 2, 3 and -1, -2, -3 and so on. These 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, these numbers are called as positive numbers, and -1, -2, -3 and so on, these numbers are called as negative numbers. So these are two types of numbers, positive numbers and negative numbers. 0 has no sign. It is not positive or not negative. Okay. So we will see natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. Then even number. Now what is the property of even number? The number which is divisible by 2 is called an even number. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. All the numbers which are divisible by 2 is called an even number. Okay. Now odd number. The number which is not divisible by 2 is called an odd number. The number which is not divisible by 2 is called an odd number. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 all are odd numbers. Then prime number. Prime number is the number which is divisible by 1 and itself. Prime number is the number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called as prime number. 2, 5, 7, 11, 13 all are prime numbers. Since these all numbers are divisible by only 1 and itself, no any other number divided these numbers 2, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. Okay. So the numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself, it's called as prime number. Now rational number. Many of the students does not know the definition of rational numbers. Rational number means परिमेय संख्या. You learn this definition of rational number in I think 8th standard. But many of you does not know the definition of rational number. Let us see rational number. The number which can be written in the form of p by q. The number which can be written in the form of p by q where q is not equal to 0. Remember, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q both are integers, then these numbers are called as rational number. the number which can be written in the form of p by q, that is in the form of numerator upon denominator, where q, that is denominator, q is in the denominator, q is not equal to 0. That means denominator is compulsory non-zero number, and p and q both are integers, then these numbers are called as rational numbers. For example, 5. 5, it is a rational number. It can be written in the form of p by q. We can write 5 is in the form of 5 upon 1. Okay, so 5 is the rational number. 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 2 and 3 both are integers. So it is rational number. Now tell me, root 2 is a rational number or not? Root 2, it is a rational number. Root 2 can be written in the form of root 2 upon 1. Okay, so this number is written in the form of p by q. First condition will be clear. Denominator is non-zero. Root 2 upon 1. In the denominator, there is 1. So denominator is non-zero. But the third condition is what? P and Q both are integers. P and Q both are integers. Here root 2, it is an integer? No, root 2 is not a integer, and therefore root 2 is not a rational number. You get it? The number root 2 is not a rational number. Okay? Irrational number. Quite simple. The number which is not rational is called as irrational number. Okay? Root 2, square root of 2. For example, square root of 2. I already told you square root of 2 is not a rational number. Okay? So these are some types of numbers. Okay? Now we are going for real numbers. Real number system is our first unit, and for that real numbers are very important for us. Now what are real numbers? The set of all types of number is called as real number. That means real number included all types of number. That means natural number, whole number, rational number, irrational number, even number, odd number, and so many types of numbers. All are integers, positive numbers, negative numbers. All numbers are included in the set of real numbers. This set of real number, it is denoted by capital letter R. Set of real number is denoted by capital letter R. Okay, so this set of all types of number is called as real numbers. Next we use function. What is function? Function is a very lengthy topic, but I only give you the definition of function for only introduction. Function is defined from set A to set B. All of you clear the idea of set. Okay, set is a collection of object. It is denoted by capital letters. Okay, so function is defined from set A to set B. Okay, here notationally I define f is a function defined from A to B. F is a function defined from A to B. This is the function defined from A to B such that every element of set A has image in the set B. For every element of set A, if there is an image in set B, then f is called as function from A to B. For example, here f is a function defined from A to B. The function is defined as f of x is equal to x square. This x belongs to the set A and this x square belongs to the set B. That is, for every x belongs to A, if x square belongs to B, then f is a function. So for first element of A, it is 1. F of x, that is x is 1, and x square means 1 square. Now 1 square is equal to 1, and 1 square belongs to 1, which is belongs to B. So this 1 maps to this 1. Second element, now second element is 2. That is f of x is 2. F of x is equal to 2, and 2 square. Okay, 2 square is 4. This 4 belongs to set B? Yes, this 4 belongs to set B. So these two will map to the set to the element 4. Okay, now consider the third element. Here third element of the set A is 3, that is x is equal to 3. Therefore square of x square is equal to 9, and this 9 is in the set B. So these three map to the element 9. So every element in the set A has image in the set B. This is our set A and this is our set B. Every element of set A has the image in set B. Therefore, f is a defined from function from A to B. Okay. आता ह्या मी आज तुम्हाला लेक्चरमध्ये काही बेसिक आयडियाज सांगितल्या आहेत फंक्शन अँड रिअल नंबर्स यांचा यूज करून आपल्याला नेक्स्ट आपल्या रिअल नंबर सिस्टीम या युनिटमध्ये आपण रिअल नंबरचा स्टडी करणार आहे. ओके, गो थ्रू दिस व्हिडिओ अँड सबस्क्राईब द व्हिडिओ फॉर नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ और नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. ओके.